So the first thing, season the fish. And I'm using Old Bay seasoning. Where's the label? See, Old Bay. I haven't used this in about 35, 40 years. And I go, let me try it. I don't remember. And you know what? It has a nice taste. And no matter what, if something has a nice taste and you enjoy it, I say use it. So we put some on both sides. Notice I'm not touching the fish. Why am I not touching the fish? So it has nothing to do with hygiene or anything. It has to do with I just don't want to have to wash my fingers every time I touch the fish. So now the salmon is, next step is going to put it in here, dust it lightly in flour. That makes it adhere to the batter much better. Cilantro, I'm going to sprinkle that on later when it's time to eat. In here is a cup of all-purpose flour and a cup of cake flour. Cake flour makes everything much lighter. So I'm testing that out today on myself and on you. And then over here, there's my deep fryer. As soon as it reaches 375, I'm going to pour the can of cold beer, has to be cold, into the flour. Mix it up gently, don't overmix it. Dip this into the flour, dust it, immediately get it going, because all of the properties of beer that will help the batter give it a nice finish has to be done fast. I'm not going to explain the chemistry behind it. Okay, what I'm going to do now is get the batter ready. See how it foams up? Foams up just like if you had baking powder in it. And you don't want to overmix it, but you have to. And now immediately, there's lumps in there, that's okay. It'll give you a crispy finish. So we'll dust it in flour. Shake it off, just drop it in there. This is enough for 2 people, or 4 people that aren't very hungry. Okay, that's done. We'll turn the fish over in the batter. This is enough batter to do triple this amount. And here we go. 375. Thank you very much. Wow, that just made it. A lot of batter left over. And 375 it is. Let's maintain that heat. I like the way it feels in there. It feels light. Now you keep attention to the amount of time that it takes for me to cook this at 375. You saw the pieces. Those fillets are about 9-10 ounces each, and I cut them in half. Sometimes you have to adjust the flame a little bit. It's almost dropping to 350. I want to keep it very hot. The hotter it is, at the right temperature, the less greasy it'll be. Now that's about it. The oil is that hot, that salmon is cooked, and you don't want it well done. So we're going to take it out, shut this off. See how bumpy it looks? That's nice. Those bumps are the crispiness. Okay, there we go. Now we'll take this, put it on a plate. Oh boy. Can you hear this? It's hard and crispy. Put some cilantro. Like so. And there you have it. And I'm having this with broccoli and rice. I hope you enjoy. Okay, I lied. There's rice, corn, broccoli. I hope you enjoy.